Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your JuiceBox charger in the app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the JuiceBox app on your smartphone. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in the app, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the option labeled Register Charger or Add Charger. Tap on it to start the registration process. Next, locate the unique serial number on your JuiceBox charger. This serial number is usually found on a sticker attached to the charger. Enter the serial number into the designated field in the app. Make sure to double-check the number for accuracy. After entering the serial number, click on the Next button. The app may prompt you to enter additional information about your charger. Fill in any required details, such as location or installation type. Once all information is complete, review it to ensure everything is correct. Then, tap on the Register button to finalize the process. The app will confirm that your JuiceBox charger has been successfully registered. You can now manage and monitor your charger through the app. If you encounter any issues, refer to the FAQ section for troubleshooting tips. Congratulations, you're all set to use your JuiceBox charger. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.